All right, y'all. So my son's in the other room. So watch this. Jackson! Yeah, for some reason, I love Michael Jackson. Billie Jean, Beat It.
Michael was a good artist.
Yeah, he was. Jackson! So was Alan Jackson. Alan Jackson was a good artist.
Alan Jackson was a good artist too. But
Yeah, he was.
there's one's hip hop and the other one's.
I can't think of any other famous Jacksons right now. Jackson! Lamar Jackson's pretty good.
Lamar Jackson, yeah.
He's a good quarterback. What?
Why do you keep calling my name?
I'm talking to your grandfather about Lamar Jackson.
Okay. I see you, Dad and Grandpa. I can especially see you, Grandpa.
You can see me?
Yeah?
You sure?
Yeah.
Are you sure you're not like John Cena? Hi kids, it's me, Super Cena.